I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on your Barclays account, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Log into your Barclays account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to your account statement or transaction history. Find the specific charge you want to dispute. It is helpful to note the date and amount of the transaction. Step 3. Select the dispute option. After locating the transaction, look for an option to dispute the charge. This may be labeled as Report a Problem or Dispute Charge. Click on it to start the dispute process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information about the dispute. This may include the reason for the dispute and any supporting documentation. Be clear and concise to avoid delays. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review your information and submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your dispute shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates. If you accidentally select the wrong transaction, you may need to start over, so double check before submitting. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope it gets resolved quickly.